Hello and welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things entrepreneurship and business growth. We're here to guide you through the maze of entrepreneurship with practical advice. Today, we're delving into the world of profitable ebook businesses. So, are you ready to learn how to build a profitable ebook business? Let's dive in. Step 1 in creating a profitable ebook business is identifying a profitable niche. This is crucial as it should be a topic that not only piques your interest, but also has the potential to bring in profit. To pinpoint such a niche, consider exploring popular categories on ebook platforms or delve into market trends. Understanding your target audience, their interests, and their reading habits can also prove to be a goldmine. Once you have identified a profitable niche, you're one step closer to your profitable ebook business. Step 2 is all about creating quality content. Remember, your ebook is more than just words on a page. It's a solution to a problem, a source of value for your readers. Quality content starts with thorough research on your chosen topic. Don't shy away from hiring a professional editor to refine your work. Your ebook should not only entertain, but educate, inspire, and provide meaningful insight. This is the key to attracting and retaining readers. With quality content, your ebook is bound to stand out in your chosen niche. The third and final step is to market and sell your ebook. It's time to let the world know about your masterpiece. Put social media to work, share snippets, engage with followers, create a buzz. Don't shy away from email marketing. Send out newsletters, offer discounts, utilize ebook platforms. They're designed to amplify your reach. But remember, it all boils down to a well-crafted marketing strategy. The right strategy will connect you to your audience and boost your sales. With a solid marketing strategy, you're well on your way to running a profitable ebook business. And there you have it, the 3 steps to creating a profitable ebook business. Just to recap, find your profitable niche, create quality content, and market your ebook effectively. Remember, with the right niche, quality content, and a solid marketing strategy, you can create a profitable ebook business. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more entrepreneurship tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.